Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I had here 2009 Crompton high speed Decra. So this fan is installed in my village farmhouse. So and the color is somewhat looking like granite silver color, and I had a 2012 high speed Decra in Baker silver color. That fan is running in really good. That I'm using that fan in my bedroom, but and this is a different high speed Decra, not that one which I had shown in last video. That was in my house. Actually this fan is replaced by a junk fan. That junk fan name is Orion Wendy. So yes, that Orion Wendy which I had shown in last video in azure blue color. I mistakenly written indigo blue. That is azure blue color Orion Wendy. And that fan I had dumped that fan and installed here a Crompton high-speed Decra of 2009 granite silver color. Actually what happens that this fan was actually I had brought a high-speed Crypto in June 2020. So I had removed, means I have two high-speed Decra, means this one 2009 and another one is 2012. So I had replaced this fan with Orion Wendy. I had brought high speed Crypto, and so I had removed this fan, and it was under my bed for 1 year. So I am decided to install this fan in my village farmhouse and dump that Orion Wendy. So let me show you the running. This will be slow because of bad capacitor. So now let me show the running. Hola. Uy. So it's so as you can see the high speed Decra so as you can see this is the high speed Decra. It is running well, but it is slower than my 2012 high speed Decra Baker silver color. Anyways, it is satisfying. As you can see, the airflow is in really best condition. Everything metallic finish. So as you can see, I had made a servicing video also in this 2009 high speed Decra. So I will upload the video soon. And I had dumped my Orion Wendy. So this is the fan, as you can see, really good condition. So now let me switch off this. So this is the fan. So it is installed in my village farmhouse. So that is it for today. So thanks for watching. It is similar to my 2012 high speed Decra, but this is different one. So thanks for